Did you know that thousands of South Africans are declined for vehicle finance every month because of small avoidable mistakes? Before you even step into a dealership, there are 5 critical things you need to know. These can be the difference between a yes and a no. Hi, I'm Grace from Cars Financed. Our mission is to educate you so you can drive away in the car of your dreams with complete confidence. Today, we're breaking down exactly how vehicle finance works in South Africa. First, let's talk about the law, the National Credit Act, or NCA. The NCA is there to protect you. It ensures that banks, lenders, and dealerships don't extend reckless credit you can't afford. Because of the NCA, every bank must perform a strict affordability assessment. They look at your income, but more importantly, your expenses. They calculate your discretionary income. That's the money left over after all your bills are paid. That's what they use to decide your limit. Now, a common question: who actually owns the car? Under a standard finance agreement, the bank is the legal owner until the very last cent is paid. You are registered as the owner on the notice document, but the bank is the title holder. They keep the original papers in their vault for safety. Let's look at how you actually pay. There are 3 main structures: traditional installment, balloon payments, and guaranteed future value. The traditional installment sale is the simplest. You pay a set amount every month for 12 to 72 months until the car is yours. A balloon payment lowers your monthly installments by moving a large percentage of the car's value up to 40% to the very end of the term. But be careful. You pay interest on that balloon amount every single month. It makes the car more expensive in total, even if the monthly cost is lower. Guaranteed future value is common with luxury brands. The bank guarantees what the car will be worth in 3 or 4 years. At the end, you can return the car, trade it in for a new one, or pay the remaining balance to keep it. It's great for people who like new cars often. One thing you cannot skip is comprehensive insurance. Because the bank owns the car, they require you to be fully insured at all times. Ask Cars Finance for assistance with affordable insurance quotes. Always get an insurance quote before you sign the finance papers. It can add 1,000 rands or more to your monthly car budget. Visit www.carsfinance.co.za. Did you sign your contract at home or at work? The NCA gives you a 5-day cooling off period to cancel if you change your mind. Note that this only applies if you signed outside the lender's place of business. If you signed at the dealership, there is no cooling off period. Now, let's talk about the most important number in your life, your credit score. This determines if you get approved and what interest rate you pay. In South Africa, scores are tracked by bureaus like TransUnion and Experian. They look at your payment history over several years. A score above 750 is exceptional. You likely get the prime interest rate, or even better, prime minus. This saves you thousands. If your score is below 580, approval becomes very difficult. You might need a large deposit or face much higher interest rates. I've gathered the top 5 questions you ask us every day. Let's get you some clear answers. Question 1, how much deposit do I need? While many deals are 0 deposit, putting down 10 to 20% shows the bank you are serious. A deposit often triggers a lower interest rate, which means you pay much less for the car over the life of the loan. Question 2, can I get financing with bad credit? Yes, the option for blacklisted clients is rent to own. At Cars Financed, we have assisted hundreds of blacklisted clients in getting cars. However, be prepared for higher costs. My advice: try to clean up your credit score for 6 months before applying. It will save you a fortune in interest. Question 3, can I buy a car while self-employed? Yes. You just need extra proof, like 6 months of bank statements and your latest financials. Banks love to see a clear separation between your personal and business expenses. This makes the affordability check much smoother. Question 4, how long does approval take? If your paperwork is in order, we usually see a decision within 24 to 48 hours. And finally, what documents do I need? You'll need your South African ID, a valid driver's license, 3 months of pay slips, and 3 months of bank statements. Now let's talk about the mistakes that ruin applications. Most people don't even know they're making them. Mistake number 1, credit shopping. Every time you apply at a bank, it records a hard inquiry on your score. Too many in a week can lower your score. Instead, use the services of Cars Financed. They can submit one application to multiple banks without hurting your score as much. Mistake 2, maxing out your credit cards. Banks want to see you using less than 30% of your available credit. High usage looks like financial stress. Mistake 3. Unpaid debit orders. Banks view a single refer to draw entry in the last 90 days as a major red flag for affordability. I recommend a 90-day cleanse. Ensure every single debit order goes through perfectly for 3 months before you apply. Ready to apply? Here is your roadmap to a successful application. Follow these steps for the best chance of approval. Step 1. Budget for the total cost of ownership. Your monthly payment isn't just the installment, it's insurance, fuel, and maintenance too. Step 2. Check your own credit score. You are entitled to one free report per year. Know where you stand before the bank does. Step 3. Gather your documents early. Having clean digital copies of your ID and bank statements ready makes the process lightning fast. If you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. That's why we're here at Cars Financed. We help South Africans navigate this every day. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. We post new tips every week to help you win with your finances. Have a specific question? Leave a comment below or send us a WhatsApp message. We'd love to guide you through your next car purchase. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly vehicle finance tips. I'm Grace from Cars Financed, helping South Africans make informed vehicle finance decisions. I'll see you in the next video. It won't take much from you to like the video. That will help us to grow and reach more audiences. Subscribe and follow Cars Financed for more simple tips. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.